Hey everyone! Welcome to the holistic wellness realm. Are you struggling with hair loss or just want thicker, healthier hair? The solution might be as simple as adjusting your diet. Many people don't realize that what you eat has a direct impact on the health of your hair and scalp. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of hair-healthy superfoods. I'm going to share 10 incredible foods that can make a real difference in your hair growth journey. We'll uncover the science behind their benefits and how incorporating them into your diet can lead to noticeable results. If you're ready to nourish your hair from the inside out, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey to healthier, more vibrant hair here at Holistic Wellness Realm. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the nutritional powerhouse, salmon. This fatty fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients that our bodies can't produce on their own. Why are omega-3s so crucial for hair health? Well, they provide the oils that keep your scalp hydrated and healthy, creating the perfect environment for hair growth. Think of your scalp as the soil where your hair grows. Just like a plant needs fertile soil to thrive, your hair needs a nourished scalp to grow strong and healthy. Omega-3s are like the fertilizer that enriches the soil, providing the essential nutrients for optimal hair growth. Plus, omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce scalp inflammation that often contributes to hair loss. If you're not a fan of salmon, don't worry. You can also get your omega-3s from other fatty fish like mackerel, tuna, and sardines, or explore plant-based sources like flax seeds and chia seeds. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, or incorporate a daily dose of flax seeds or chia seeds into your diet to reap the hair-boosting benefits of omega-3s. Next up is a leafy green that packs a powerful punch for hair health. Spinach. This versatile vegetable is a rich source of iron, a mineral that's essential for hair growth. Iron plays a vital role in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your hair follicles. Without enough iron, your hair follicles may not receive the oxygen they need to grow, leading to hair loss or slow hair growth. Spinach is also a good source of vitamins A and C, both of which are important for a healthy scalp. Vitamin A helps to produce sebum, the natural oil that keeps your scalp moisturized. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. So how can you incorporate more spinach into your diet? Add a handful to your smoothies, salads, or stir-fries. Let's move on to a delicious root vegetable that's often overlooked for its hair benefits, the sweet potato. This vibrant orange vegetable is an excellent source of beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. As we discussed earlier, vitamin A is crucial for a healthy scalp. It helps regulate sebum production, preventing your scalp from becoming too dry or oily. A balanced scalp environment is key for healthy hair growth. But the benefits of sweet potatoes don't stop there. They're also packed with antioxidants that help protect your hair from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells, including hair cells. Free radical damage can lead to hair breakage, dryness, and even premature graying. By incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like sweet potatoes into your diet, you can fight back against these damaging effects and maintain the vibrancy and strength of your hair. Try roasting sweet potatoes as a side dish, adding them to your stews, or even incorporating them into your breakfast smoothies for a delicious and nutritious way to boost your hair health. Unlock luxurious hair with avocados. Now let's talk about a fruit that's loved for its creamy texture and healthy fats, the avocado. Avocados are an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that promotes healthy hair growth. Vitamin E works its magic by improving blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that your hair follicles receive the nutrients they need to thrive. It also helps to protect your hair from damage caused by free radicals, keeping it strong and healthy. But that's not all. Avocados are also a good source of biotin, a B vitamin that's essential for hair growth. Biotin helps to strengthen the protein structure of your hair, known as keratin, making it less prone to breakage. You can enjoy avocados in countless ways. Slice them onto your toast, add them to your salads, or whip up a batch of guacamole for a healthy and delicious snack. Nuts, tiny but mighty hair heroes. Don't underestimate the power of these small but mighty snacks. Nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts, are nutritional powerhouses when it comes to hair health. They're packed with biotin, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in hair growth and strength. Biotin deficiency can lead to hair loss, so ensuring you're getting enough of this vital nutrient is essential for maintaining a healthy head of hair. Almonds are also a great source of vitamin E, which, as we learned earlier, helps protect your hair from damage and promote scalp health. Walnuts, on the other hand, are one of the few food sources of omega-3 fatty acids, those essential fats that keep your scalp hydrated and promote hair growth. Incorporate a handful of almonds, walnuts, or your favorite nuts into your daily diet as a snack. Sprinkle them on your salads, or add them to your trail mixes for a healthy and delicious way to support your hair health. Sprinkle your way to healthier hair with seeds. Just like nuts, seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses that can work wonders for your hair. Flax seeds and chia seeds, in particular, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which, as we've discussed, are essential for a healthy scalp and hair growth. But the benefits of seeds don't stop there. They're also packed with antioxidants that help protect your hair from damage caused by free radicals, keeping it strong and vibrant. Flax seeds, in particular, are a great source of lignans, plant compounds that have been linked to a lower risk of hair loss. Adding seeds to your diet is easy and versatile. Sprinkle flax seeds or chia seeds onto your yogurt, salads, or smoothies, or add them to your baking recipes for a boost of nutrition and hair-healthy benefits. Who doesn't love a handful of juicy berries? But did you know that these delicious fruits are also incredibly beneficial for your hair? Berries are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that can help promote hair growth and prevent hair damage. Strawberries, for example, are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps to strengthen your hair and prevent it from breaking. Blueberries, on the other hand, are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your hair from damage caused by free radicals. And raspberries? They're a good source of both vitamin C and antioxidants, making them a double whammy for hair health. Enjoy a handful of your favorite berries as a snack, add them to your yogurt or smoothies, or incorporate them into your desserts for a delicious and nutritious way to boost your hair health. Eggs, a protein-packed powerhouse for hair growth. Eggs are a breakfast staple for a reason. They're incredibly nutritious and a fantastic source of protein, which is essential for hair growth. Hair is primarily made up of protein, so ensuring you're getting enough protein in your diet is crucial for maintaining healthy hair growth. But eggs offer more than just protein. They're also a great source of biotin, a B vitamin that's essential for hair growth and strength. Biotin deficiency can lead to hair loss, so incorporating biotin-rich foods like eggs into your diet can help prevent this and promote healthy hair growth. Enjoy eggs for breakfast, add them to your salads, or use them in your baking for a protein and biotin boost that will benefit your hair. Greek yogurt, a creamy treat for a healthy scalp. Greek yogurt is not only a delicious and versatile food, but it's also a fantastic addition to a hair-healthy diet. It's packed with protein, which, as we've learned, is essential for hair growth. But Greek yogurt also brings another nutrient to the table that's beneficial for hair: vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 helps to strengthen your hair follicles and prevent hair loss. It also plays a role in sebum production, helping to keep your scalp moisturized and healthy, which is essential for optimal hair growth. Enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack, add it to your smoothies, or use it as a base for dips and sauces for a delicious and hair-healthy treat. Beans, small but mighty for hair health. Last but not least, let's talk about beans, a versatile and affordable food group that packs a punch when it comes to hair health. Beans are an excellent source of protein, which, as we've established, is crucial for hair growth. But they also bring a variety of other nutrients to the table that are beneficial for hair. Beans are a good source of iron, which helps to carry oxygen to your hair follicles, promoting growth. They're also rich in zinc, a mineral that plays a role in hair tissue growth and repair. And let's not forget about biotin, another essential nutrient for hair health that's found in beans. Incorporate beans into your diet by adding them to soups, stews, salads, or even making them the star of the show in veggie burgers or dips. So there you have it, 10 superfoods that can help you achieve longer, thicker, and healthier hair. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is a holistic approach to hair health. It's not about quick fixes, but about nourishing your body from the inside out. Did you find this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which of these superfoods you're excited to add to your diet. And don't forget to subscribe to Holistic Wellness Realm for more tips and tricks on living your healthiest life. Remember, healthy hair starts from within. By making mindful food choices and incorporating these superfoods into your diet, you can support your hair growth journey and achieve the luscious locks you've always wanted.